Join the community of more than 2 million Binomists who are investing online with Binomo. Start trading today with Binomo.
The price of petrol in Delhi has been reduced by ₹8. The relief comes after the Delhi cabinet decided to slash VAT from 30% to 19.40%. Petrol will now cost ₹95.97. Before the reduction, the cost was ₹103.97. Remember that the centre had announced a reduction of ₹5 per litre in the excise duty on petrol and a ₹10 per litre on diesel in the first week of November, giving consumers a reason to cheer just before Diwali after weeks of skyrocketing prices. Since then, opposition parties in Delhi have been urging the state government to cut VAT on petrol at their end as well. The Central Pollution Control Board reported that the average air quality in Delhi in the month of November has been the worst in 6 years. This year, there were 11 severe air days in November, higher than 9 last year, 7 in 2019 and 5 in 2018, according to an Indian Express report which studied the CPCB data. The average AQI for November this year was 377. The corresponding figure for 2020 was 327, while the air in November 2019 was also cleaner with an average AQI of 312. The Bombay High Court on Wednesday allowed default bail plea of Sudha Bhardwaj in the Elgar Parishad case. Bhardwaj will be arraigned before the special NIA court on December 8th, which will impose bail conditions and finalize her release on bail. The bench, however, rejected the default bail plea of 8 co-accused, including Sudhir Dhawale, Mahesh Raut, Vernon Gonzalez, Arun Ferreira, Rona Wilson, Shoma Sen, Surendra Garling, and Varavara Rao in the case. Suspended Rajya Sabha MPs sat near the Mahatma Gandhi statue today to register their protest. Speaker M. Venkaiah Naidu has refused to revoke the suspension. The opposition indicated that the House could witness disruptions for at least the next couple of days. Amid sloganeering, proceedings in the Rajya Sabha were suspended till 2 p.m. today. Lok Sabha proceedings were adjourned till noon amid continuous protests by members of the TRS over farmer issues. Among other news from the Parliament, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia was to move the Assisted Reproductive Technology Regulation Bill 2020. In the Rajya Sabha, Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat was to move the Dam Safety Bill today. A case has been registered against Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg over an alleged controversial post against Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. The case has been filed at a court in UP's Kannauj district. Along with Zuckerberg, the lawsuit also named 49 others, a PTI report said. Interestingly, Zuckerberg himself has not posted any defamatory post against Yadav. The FIR names him because his platform Facebook was used to post derogatory comments against him.